Howdy everybody out there in YouTube land. This is amateur artist Mark D. Chandler once again from Manland. I just posted a video here yesterday about the old school washing machine. There's something odd I need to show you. Something strange and bizarre. And I can't explain it. Let me show you what I mean. You see anything odd about my clothesline? Yep, there's a shirt. There's a shirt, there's two pair of pants, and there's my holy underwear. But look right there. There's only one sock. Not a pair of socks, just one sock. Even with old school technology, washing machines, they eat your socks.